Welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how to go live using Streamyard on your Android phone. First, we will be opening any VPN that you have. Once it is connected, the next thing to do is pull up any browser and so for me, I'm using Google Chrome and then type in streamyard.com. When you are already on the website, click on Get Started. Type in your email address that is active and click on Get a Login Code. These are very easy steps on how you can get started with this website. So get login code, it will send an email. So the next step is to go to your email and check what is the PIN that has been sent to you. Type it in and then click login. Alright, so you have already created an account. There are several options to where you can broadcast your live videos. So Facebook, you can do LinkedIn, YouTube, and other options here. So for me today, I will choose Facebook group. The logo for your Facebook group, create a title and description. You can schedule for later, but for me in this video I'll just create the broadcast right away. So click on that button, wait for the studio to load. There you go, hi there. And you can also edit your display name, so you can put your name or whatever. Now this time we will be adding a guest, so click on guest. Invite a guest, send that link to your guest's email or Facebook so that this person can join your broadcast. So in this video, I'll be sending it to my friend and I'll just be waiting for her to join in. So meanwhile, I'll create a banner. So click banner, create a banner, type in whatever you wish to appear on the screen. So I'll be typing in welcome to test broadcast. You also have an option to scroll, but for me, I'll just click on the regular option, click on it, and it's very straightforward. So now I have a guest, so just click on, yes, click on add to stream. There you go. So the next thing is to go live. All you need to do, you also have other options here. If you want to mute your guest, you can do that. You want to give her solo on the screen, you just need to click on guest and you will see all the options. So for now, next thing is go live, and automatically that will allow you to broadcast to your selected destination. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe.